Welcome back. This is part 3 of this video series where we're making a house, this to be specific. Remember to like, subscribe, and I have a Patreon account. I appreciate any help that will come through. Otherwise, let's jump right in. Let's add some surface to this thing. So you can pick any of these that you want. Alright, so how to change your surface? You just say we want to change the surface for the chimney. I'll come to edit mode. I will select, okay, so let me just hide some of these things. Okay, so I'll push 1, X-ray mode. So I'll select these faces and I'll create a new surface. In this new surface, I'll say new, and then I'll say assign. So let me just get rid of that, say assign. So I've assigned this, and what I'm going to do is I'll choose a color, say something like this, maybe. Okay, so I change that surface, and then I'll select. So whilst you're selecting these faces, you push Control I to invert your selection. I'll create a new material, then I'll say new, and then say assign. Then I'll change this, just make it a bit different from the first one. So if I come back to the normal shade, I'll have that. Oops, I missed out these. So just select the ones at the bottom, select this material and say assign, and voila, it's painted. So with the roof, I'll go in edit mode for the roof, and I'll say select this, select all, new material, I'll say new, and then I'll say assign. So here, let's save. This thing might crash, and okay, so depending on the lighting that I'm using here, that's why I'm seeing things like this, but otherwise this is in shade mode. That's when you can see your colors properly. Okay, I'll leave it at that, and let's go to the house. So with the house, I'll go in edit mode, select all the faces, and I'll create a new material. I'll say new and assign, new color, something like that. All right, and we go to the windows. Oh, the base, we can actually deal with the base right now. So we can also go into edit mode with this one and select this face, select all, say new, and then new material, say assign, and let me choose green. That's okay. So we go to the windows. I'll push I on the keyboard so that I can see it. So I'll select the windows themselves. So you see the windows, it's blue. I'll go in edit mode, select these surfaces, hold down shift when selecting, new material, I'll say new, then I'll say assign and choose a blue. Then I'll say select, invert selection, I'll add a new material, and then this new material is going to be like the one for the chimney. So where is the chimney? what I'll just do is pick this, use a eyedropper and select that, say okay, and then I'll just say assign. There we go. So we have to do this for all the windows. For people who are not like me, the smart ones, you have to make material, and then after you do all this, that's when you start copying and pasting all around. But hey, I already did this, so I guess I'll just have to go through one by one. So I'll speed the video up just to shorten the length of the video. Okay, so we are done with this. Now to add a low poly tree to this. So for this video, we'll end right here.